Can you see how many hours you played on Roblox? In this tutorial, we're going to find out exactly that. First of all, let's just open up our game. And once you open up your game, just make sure that you're logged into your account. And once the game is loaded, you will be able to find the settings icon. So if you head over to the more right at the bottom, here you'll be able to see your settings menu. Now on your settings menu, there is no specific option that lets you see how many hours you've played a specific game. So even if you try to go ahead and open that game up, Roblox does not offer you the option to see how many hours you've played. You could just see the game's stats like its rating, active players, visits, and then maturity. So these are the only things that you'll be able to see about the game, and here you will see its genre, subgenre, when it was created, when it was updated, and stuff like that. But there is no active option to see how many hours you played a specific game. What you could do is try to contact Roblox support. Here on your web browser, just simply search for Roblox support and then hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here and then contact the Roblox support team. So you're just going to have to enter all of these details, and here on your issue you can say I want to see how many hours I've played a specific game or something along those lines, and maybe they will try to help you once they get your ticket. That's the only thing that you could do as of now to possibly know how many hours you've played on Roblox. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.